Hello everyone. Hello Sir Hammond. I'm Daniel Casisio from 3.2 Bisbay FM, and for this video, I'm going to discuss the 5 unique problems and their solutions from the step 1 and 2 of how to use the tool to do a CBA or cost benefit analysis. Let's first understand the topic that we will be discussing. Now for step 1 is the brainstorm costs and benefits. First, take time to brainstorm all of the costs associated with the project and make a list of this. Then, do the same for all the benefits of the project. Can you think of any unexpected costs? And are there benefits that you may not initially have anticipated? When you come up with the costs and benefits, think about the lifetime of the project. What are the costs and benefits likely to be over time? Next is step 2, which is to assign a monetary value to the costs. Costs include the cost of physical resources needed, as well as the cost of the human effort involved in all phases of a project. Costs are often relatively easy to estimate compared with revenues. It's important that you think about as many related costs as you can. For example, what will any training cost? Will there be a decrease in productivity while people are learning a new system or technology? And how much will this cost? Remember to think about costs that will continue to be incurred once the project is finished. For example, consider whether you will need additional staff, if your team will need ongoing training, or if you'll have increased overheads. Let's proceed now to the problems and solutions. For problem number 1, inevitable unexpected costs that might forget to be added somehow. My proposed solution to this is to consult with professionals about the project that they plan to start. From the substantial of each cost to its operational efficiency upon the attainment of the plan. Next problem is problem number 2. High possibility of a miscalculated lifetime of the project might end up with unexpected costs that will come up eventually. Its solution is to perform another separate CBA if another financial decision related problem appears after the previous project, as this is another matter that must be excluded in the previous one. Then the problem 3. Monetary values that are probably involved or included in projects are never fixed and might increase as progress and time passes. The solution here is to adjust the monetary values based on research expected increases along the progress and until the projects are finished. In other words, always anticipate the tendencies of increased costs. Now for problem 4. Physical resources are hard to calculate as projects that require a lot of time might need more than the estimated cost. I assume that the solution here is to estimate beyond the expected time of the project's accomplishment and the project itself, so it doesn't lead to rushes. That is, the time of the process is always uncertain, so it's better to devote enough time to it. Lastly is problem number 5. Required financial decisions that will arise after a particular project that would definitely be prescribed to have another CBA, which are different from the previous ones. I suggest that the solution is to expect a not so ordinary next project cost after resolving the previous one, as different financial decisions necessitate a different CBA, especially if it is not related to it and is about the other non-critical financial resolutions. That's all for the possible problems and its solution to step 1 and 2 of how to use the tool to do a cost-benefit analysis. Thank you for watching everyone, and have a nice day ahead.